What's going on, guys? Eric here from Doses VT. Happy to bring you another video. This time, something different. I know a lot of people have been seeing out there about these ear cleaning things. You're not supposed to use Q-tips, so use something like this that kind of helps you clean your ears but not damage your eardrums and stuff. So I was like, okay, let's see if this really works. Is it really worth the money? Because they're not very expensive, but it sends a Bluetooth signal to your phone and you can see what's inside your ear. For most people, this might be pretty useful. Like if you're a parent and you have kids, this might be a great thing to have. Or for whatever reason, your ears get super dirty all the time, which you probably should have that checked out if they do. But I just wanted to know if this thing is basically worth it or not. So I bought it. We're just gonna unbox it here. I'll do another video to tell you guys if buying something like this is worth it. I mean, it's not insanely expensive. It's about 30 bucks depending on where you buy it from. But I was just curious to see how well it really works. So they give you a little warning thing about the eardrum and stuff. So good to know. Obviously follow the directions, because if you damage your ear, there's not really a lot that people can do for you, doctors can do for you without basically getting a hearing aid. So always be smart with using this type of stuff, but obviously you guys don't care about that. You want to see what this thing actually looks like. So starting off with the actual unit thing here, has a nice little case to cover this, which is great. Very lightweight, not very heavy. All you have to do is press this little button right here and it'll start up. As of right now, it's dead, which is just great. Another cool thing, it is USB Type-C. That's the type of stuff you don't see very often right there, is USB Type-C. So that's a plus right there. So now that you don't have to carry around a micro USB or anything crazy like that, might save a little bit of time. Honestly, I really don't know what most of this other stuff is, because I couldn't even tell you. But I don't even know what this does, but it's in there. You got some extra Q-tips here. Then you got some other fancy stuff, which I have no idea. I literally just bought this and just showing you guys what comes in the package. But I honestly don't know how any of this works, but I will do another video for you guys to let you know if buying something like this is even worth it, because they can get up pretty expensive. Like you can buy nice fancy ones and spend like $100 on something like this. Now, is it way better than using a Q-tip is what everyone wants to know, but this is just an unboxing. I'll let you guys know how this works, how the app works, if it's great, if it is terrible. But I'll test it out for you and let you know. Also on the side of the box here, so I can show you guys, they tell you can do it for ears, nose, mouth, pets. It has a 180 or 1080 F HD camera, so it's got a pretty good camera in it for that small form factor. It's got FDA grade soft plastic scoops, obviously to get the earwax out of your ear or boogers out of your nose or something in your mouth. Obviously it needs to be waterproof. Then basically a simple way to use it, how to use it obviously so you don't use it wrong. Then it connects to iPhones, iPads, Android phones, and tablets. So you basically can connect it to anything as long as it has a Bluetooth connection and can download the app. But that's all I got for you guys. I'll let you know if this thing's even worth it, or is it just easier to use a Q-tip and you can buy 100 for like $10 or something. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.